Okay, good morning students. Yesterday we have discussed how to solve the questions of linear inequality like word problems. In that lecture we have discussed a question related to our chemistry, the basics of solutions. Now see here, next question is also related to that question. Exercise 6, question number 12. A solution of 8% boric acid, a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% boric acid. A solution of 8% boric acid is given here. We have to dilute this boric acid, this solution of boric acid. Dilute, that means we have to reduce the percentage of boric acid. 8% boric acid, that means 8% boric acid and extra 92% water is there. Now the second solution having 2% boric acid and 98% water content is there. We have to dilute them, that means we are adding the lesser quantity of boric acid in the given solution, boric acid solution to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4%. Resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. Okay, if we have 640 liters of the 8% boric acid solution, then how many liters of the 2% solution will have to be added? So we have to obtain the liters of 2% boric acid solution. આપણે આના liters find out કરવાના છે. Let us assume, suppose let x liters of 2% boric acid should be added. Okay, should be added. Now we know that the inequality is given here. Resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6%. That means resulting mixture having total liters 640 liters of 8% solution as well as x liters of 2% solution. Therefore total resulting mixture having 640 plus x liters of solution. Resulting mixture ma total amount of solution na liters 640 plus x liters thase. Okay, clear? Now see here, resulting mixture should be more than 4% of 640 plus x liters and less than 6% of 640 plus x liter. Okay, and the mixture amount having two acid solution, one is 8% of 640 liters and 2% of x liters. Therefore, we are adding 8% of 640 liters plus 2% of x liters. 2% of x liters. This is our inequality similar to last lecture question. Now solve this inequality. If we want to remove the percentage, then we have to divide by 100. Therefore, we are getting 4 into 640 plus x divided by 100, which is less than 8 into 640 divided by 100 plus 2 into x divided by 100 less than 6 into 640 plus x divided by 100. Now see here, 100 is each and every term, therefore we can directly remove the 100 by multiplying this inequality by 100. Therefore, we are getting here we can get 4 into 640 plus x less than 8 into 640 plus 2x less than 6 into 640 plus x here. Okay, clear? Now we have to solve this inequality, but in this inequality x is everywhere. In this double inequality x is everywhere. Therefore we have to divide this inequality into two parts. આપણે આ inequality ને બે parts માં divide કરશું. The first part will be 4 into 640 plus x less than 8 into 640 plus 2x, and the second part will be 8 into 640. So first part and second part is this 8 into 640 plus 2x less than 6 into 640 plus x here. Okay, clear? Now we have to solve these two inequality, and end symbol is there, end sign is there. Therefore we have to take the intersection of these two inequalities. Okay, now simplify this one. We are getting 4 into 640, so 4 into 640 plus 4x less than 8 into 640 plus 2x. Now simplify this one. 4x minus 2x, 4x minus 2x less than 8 into 640 minus 4 into 640. Now simplify this one. 4x minus 2x will be equals to 2x less than. Subtract these two things. 640 will be common. So 640 into 8 minus 4, which is equals to 4. I am writing like directly. Suppose direct na rakhu hai to step lakjo. 8 minus 4 here. Therefore, we are getting 2x less than 640 into 4. Now, x less than 640 into 4 divided by 2. Therefore, we are getting x less than 2 will cancel. 640 into 2. Therefore, we are getting 0. 4 2 is 8, 6 2 is 12. X less than 1280 liters. Now solve this inequality also. Therefore we are getting. So simplify this thing. 8 into 640 plus 2x less than 6 into 640 plus 6x. Okay. Now take the variable term on the left hand side and remaining constant terms on the right hand side. Therefore we are getting 2x minus 6x here less than 6 into 640 minus 8 into 640 here. Now simplify this thing. We are getting minus 4x less than 640 common. Therefore remaining term 6 minus 8. Simplify this thing. Minus 4x less than 640 into minus 2 is there. Okay. Now divide each and every side by minus 4. Therefore inequality will change. If we divide by negative number, then inequality will change. X greater than 640 into minus will be cancel out. 640 into 2 divided by 4. Therefore, we are getting 4, 2 to the 4, 2 in 320. Therefore, we get x greater than 320. Now, here and symbol is there between these two inequalities. Therefore, we can write the intersection of these two. That we can write like this. X belongs to x less than 1280. Therefore x belongs to 0 to 1280. બાકી 0 થી લેસ નહીં હોય. બરાબર? એક તો એમાઉન્ટ તમે એડ કર્યું જશે. એટલે 0 to 1280 ઓકે નેગેટિવ ના હોય બીકોઝ તમે x લીટર્સ એડ કર્યા છે -2 લીટર્સ એડ ના કરી શકો 0 લીટર્સ બી નહીં હોય 1 liter 2 liter 3 liter up to 1280 liters and x belongs to 320 to infinite સુધી જઈ શકે આમ તો બહુ ઘણા બધા લીટર્સ તમે એડ કરી શકો છો પણ આવું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ લખવું એના કરતા કઈ બી ના લખવું કઈ બી ના રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરવું વધારે સારું રહેશે બરાબર તો આને સોલ્વ કેવી રીતે કરશું સર અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ કેવી રીતે કરીએ તો સિમ્પલ લોજિક છે જોઈ લો તમારી આ this one is your number line this one is your number line in this case x less than 1280 suppose 1280 is here now x less than 1280 means less than means this okay and 320 is suppose here 320 is here now greater than 320 that means x greater than 320 means these are the x which are greater than 320 therefore we can see here 320 to 1280 our intersection portion therefore we can write 320 less than x less than 1280 without number line we can also understand this thing x greater than 320 x greater than 320 and less than 1280 x greater than 320 and less than 1280 therefore x lies between 320 to 1280 therefore we have to write the answer in statement form therefore we have to add 320 liters to 1280 liters of 2 boric acid to get the resulting mixture the required resulting mixture having 4% of more than 4% but less than 6% of boric acid to get the required boric acid. Clear? So this type of question will be asked in your examination. This is most IMP question. Okay? So see this how we can convert this inequality આ inequality બનાવતા આવડી જશે પછી આપણો ક્વેશ્ચન બહુ સિમ્પલ છે તો આ inequality બંને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં મેં સેમ ટાઈપ રાખ્યું છે બહુ ધ્યાન રાખજો ક્લિયર થેન્ક યુ Now we are going to discuss the last question of this chapter. This is also most important question. Okay, this one is also most IMP question. How many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of 45% solution of acid? How many liters of water, not a particular acid solution? Okay, in water, how many percentage of acid will be there? So we know that in water there is 100% water, any acid content will not present in that water. Therefore, we can say that it is our 0% of acid solution. જે હમણાં બે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ કર્યા ને જે લાસ્ટ ટુ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ એમાં પ્રોબ્લેમ શું હતો એમાં 2% of acid solution 8% of acid solution આ બેને એડ કરવાના તો એ જે 8% તો ગિવન હતું but 2% આપણે એડ કરતા હતા એ 2% acid solution ની જગ્યાએ water એડ કરવાનું છે that means 0% of acid solution okay એ આપણે એડ કરવાનું ક્લિયર થશે water having 0% acid solution 45% of acid solution so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid content. Okay, same type of question છે થોડુંક ચેન્જ ખાલી શું છે water add કરવાનું છે that means 0% of acid solution. Now we have to add x liters of water. અહીંયા આપણે assume કરી લઈએ let we have to add x liters of water. Okay. Now I will make the inequality. See what is the inequality. In this case, 1125 liters of 45% acid solution is given here. X liters of water we have to add on it. Therefore, total resulting mixture having 1125 plus X liters. Resulting mixtures na liters કેટલા થાય તો 1125 plus X liters. Therefore, we are getting 1125 plus X liters having resulting mixture will contain more than 25% of acid, more than 25% of acid, and less than 30% of acid in your resulting mixture means 1125 plus X liters. Okay, resulting mixtures આપણે આ રીતે સાઈડ પર લખીએ છીએ અને એની રેન્જ 25% to 30% ની વચ્ચે. નેક્સ્ટ વન અહીંયા શું આવશે તો કે આપણે જે બે સોલ્યુશન એડ અપ કરીએ છીએ એ બંનેના પરસેન્ટેજ સેપરેટલી એડ કરીને લખીએ છીએ. Therefore 45% of 1125 liters is that 45% of 1125 liter is that, and water content is also that. Therefore, we have to add water, that means 0% of acid solution. આ બધામાં acid ના percentage છે તો અહીંયા water જે બી એડ કરીએ છીએ એમાં બી acid ના જ percentage સાથે represent કરવું પડે. Therefore, 0% of X. 0% of X plus 0% of X. આ તમે એક્ઝામમાં નહીં રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરો તો બી ચાલશે. મારું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આ છે અત્યારે આનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ બતાવવાની જરૂર નથી. આ નહીં લખો તો બી ચાલશે. એટલે 0% of X, that means 0 થઈ જશે આખી. Okay, now simplify this thing. So that if we want to remove the percentage symbol, then we have to divide each and every term by 100. Therefore, we are getting 25 into 1125 plus X divided by 100 less than 45 into 1125 divided by 100 less than 30 into 1125 plus X divided by 100 also. Okay, now if we multiply this inequality by 100, then we will get 25 into 1125 plus X less than 45 into 1125 less than 30 into 1125 plus X. Now see here, if we multiply this inequality by 25, or we can divide this inequality into two parts. આ inequality ને આપણે બે પાર્ટ્સ માં ડિવાઇડ કરશું. કયા બે પાર્ટ્સ હશે તો ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ સેકન્ડ, and these two parts are given here. Therefore, we can write 25 into 1125 plus X less than 45 into 1125 and 45 into 1125 less than 30 into 1125 plus X here. Okay, now simplify this inequality. Here we are getting 25 into 1125 into 1125 plus 25 into X less than 45 into 1125. Now only one side is X there, therefore we have to take this on right hand side. Therefore we are getting 25X less than 45 into 1125 minus 25 into 1125 here. Now we can take 1125 common from these two terms. We are getting 25 x less than 1125 common, therefore remaining terms 45 minus 25. Now what is 45 minus 25? It will become 20. Therefore 25x less than 1125 into 20 divide into 20. Okay. હવે આપણે આ 25 ને રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ ડિવાઇડ માં લઈએ. therefore x less than 1125 into 20 divided by 25. Now simplify this thing. We can cancel out 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. Okay. Now 1125 will be get cancelled out by 5 also. We are getting 1125 will be get cancelled out by 5. We can get it is equals to for 1125 divided by 5 it will approximate 225 also. Okay, it will become 225. Okay, therefore we can get x less than 225 into 4, 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So x less than 900 is there. Okay. Now to solve this second part also we are getting and 45 into 1125 less than 30 into 1125 plus 30x. Okay. Now make the subject 30x. એટલે 30x વાળી ટર્મ્સ ને આ બાજુ લઈ જાઓ, આ ટર્મ્સ ને બાજુ રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ. એવું કરવું હોય તો વાંધો નહીં. અધરવાઇઝ તમે આને આખી ઉલટાઈને આમ લખો. therefore we can write 30x plus 30 into 1125 less than લઈ જશે greater than 45 into 1125. Okay. I'm interchange करे એટલે inequality is 2 less than 3, therefore 3 greater than 2. A type. Therefore we are getting 30x which is greater than, take on the right hand side, we are getting 45 into 1125 minus 30 into 1125. Now we can take 1125 common from these two terms, therefore we are getting 30x greater than 1125 into 45 minus 30. So 45 minus 30 will become 15. Therefore we are getting 30x greater than 1125 into 15. Therefore x greater than 1125 into 15 divided by 30 here. 30 on the right hand side will be on denominator. So 15 2s are 30. 1125 divided by 2. That means half of 1125 will become 550 plus 25, 562.5. Therefore we are getting x greater than 562.5 here. 562.5. Now see here, x greater than 900, x less than 900 and x greater than 562.5. Therefore we can say that x less than 900 and x greater than 562.5. Therefore we can say that x will lie between 562.5 less than x less than 900. Therefore we can say that we have to add more than 562.5, more than 562.5 and less than 900 liters of water to get the required resulting mixture. Liters of water to get the required resulting mixture. Okay, required resulting mixture. That means we have to add 5. એની વચ્ચે કોઈ બી liters તમે એડ કરી શકો. More than 900 we can't add it and less than 562.5 we can't add it. Okay, clear? થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. આજનો આપણો આ વિડીયો તમને ગમ્યો હોય, ખબર પડી હોય તો આપણા વિડીયોને લાઈક, કોમેન્ટ અને આપણી આ ચેનલને હજુ સુધી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો એકવાર સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી બાજુમાં આપેલ બેલ આઇકોનને ખાસ દબાવી રાખો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.